Welcome back to another very specific video. So here we have the Vortex Core 40% keyboard. These are with 80 gram Aliaz switches. And I have just installed these 3 bowls rubber keyboard dampers, the O-rings. So this top row here is without any O-ring, and these are the Aliaz switches, keep in mind. And these are also the stock PBT key caps that come with the 40% keyboard. These are singular O-rings, and these are double stacked O-rings. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a listen. Okay, you ready? All right, let's do one first. All right. Let's do a little one too. And then let's do a full go. My cat. I'm trying to make a video. Okay. Anyways, so ignore the cat. All right. All right. Top row. Okay, I'm sure that's enough.